Hello everyone, hope you're fit and fine. Well, first let me wish you a happy new year, happy 2022. May God bless you all. This is a strategy video for your ISC Semester 2 examination, English Language, Paper 2, and today in this video I'm going to discuss the strategy to ace free writing, that is composition. Let's begin right away. Some suggestions for you. The first and foremost, try to solve the ISC Semester 2 examination English Specimen Paper 1 issued by the Council. You all know by now that the maximum marks is 40 and the time allowed is 1.5 hours. Candidates are allowed additional 10 minutes for only reading the paper. You will not be allowed to write anything during this time. Well, this time is absolutely crucial for you because this time is provided to you to chalk out a plan. And you will see that there is a 3C rule to ace English language question paper. And what is it? I will discuss a few minutes later. All questions are compulsory. Question 1 is today's point of discussion. Let's just focus on it. Write a composition in approximately 350 to 400 words. So this is your word limit, 350 to 400 words on any of the following subjects. So how many topics will be given? Yes, 6 topics will be given. And let's read the instructions carefully. You are reminded that you will be rewarded. This is quite significant. You will be rewarded for orderly and coherent presentation of material, use of appropriate style, and general accuracy of spelling, punctuation, and grammar. So this is your strategy. Read the rubric, that is, the instructions carefully. Orderly, coherent presentation. You will be rewarded for orderly and coherent presentation. This means you must plan your work. And when will you do it? The additional 10 minutes provided to you. Remember? The next one, general accuracy of spelling, punctuation, grammar. This means you must carefully edit your work to correct any careless mistakes. No silly mistakes because you will be penalized. You are in class 12 and you are expected to write correct English without any spelling mistakes. Punctuation at the proper places and correct grammatical sentences. So follow all the rules. Try to revise the rules once again, although this is free writing. Next, use of appropriate style. This means you must adjust your style to the type of essay you have chosen. And what are those types of essays? Yes, let's see. There are 6 types of compositions: narrative composition, descriptive composition, reflective composition, discursive composition or expository composition, argumentative composition, and story writing. Which essay fetches more marks? Well, I leave this to you. You just take your call. It's personal choice. If you are confident, then go for any of the following. If you love to write narrative composition, go for it. If you have confidence in writing descriptive or reflective compositions, no problem at all, you may do so. I prefer discursive and argumentative essays. Story writing, yes, there are so many story writers, good storytellers. So go for it. But remember one thing, originality is the key word while writing a story. You must give a title and always be original. Don't copy from anywhere because in that case you may be penalized. Follow the 3C rule: clear, coherent, compact. Clarity of thought and expression, coherent in terms of presentation, and compact. Don't beat around the bush. So the word limit is important. I will not ask you to sit at the examination hall and count the exact number of words that you have used in the essay. In order to achieve some sort of proficiency in maintaining the word limit, I advise you to practice a little beforehand so that you can have a rough idea. See how many pages are needed in order to write, in order to finish the essay following the word limit without exceeding the word limit. Free flow of thoughts. Your essay must be free flowing. The style must be lucid, lucidity, and free flowing of thoughts will fetch you good marks. Avoid repetitive words, expressions, phrases. Go for synonyms. Yes, a little bit of repetition is needed if you are emphasizing on a particular point, but I advise you once again to avoid repetition again and again. Paragraphs. Divide your composition in paragraphs. The size depends on your style, on your approach, and the number of paragraphs. I'm not saying anything regarding that. It's up to you because this is free writing. Beginning and conclusion. So, think of a beginning and an ending which will attract attention and interest. A catchy beginning and interesting conclusion where you are summarizing the topic. And try to begin the introduction directly to the point. Don't beat around the bush. So it's already mentioned, lucid style I have discussed, to the point approach I have discussed. Just for example, in the specimen paper, you have a topic, lockdown. Now, instead of focusing on lockdown, if you're going to write about coronavirus, what is it? So that is beating around the bush. Start directly to the point approach. Well, my dear boys and girls, I have solved this essay for you and I'll upload it very, very soon, maybe tomorrow. So just have a look, watch the entire video, you will get a rough idea. In order to express your linguistic ability, you may use figures of speech, idioms, similes, metaphor, or proverbs, but correct usage is a must. If you are not sure about a particular thing, don't write it, don't mention it. Decide for yourself the time which you will need in order to finish a well-written essay following all the steps. Previous year's topics. Take a test paper and go through previous year's topics, the questions. Reading will help you a lot. Read newspaper, read magazines. Google search is always there for you. It is so easy nowadays to access any topic which you want. Current affairs, socially relevant topics are important. Well, this is not going to be a general knowledge test for you. Be aware of the things that are happening around you. Jot down a few points in your notebook in your free time. Practice. Practice a few essays to see the type of essay, to find out the type of essay you are most comfortable handling. And then vocabulary knowledge, your dictionary, your books, Google search will help you to enhance your vocabulary knowledge. As I told you, read. Read in your free time. Spellings. So this is crucial. Avoid making silly mistakes. Back to the specimen paper questions. You have recently shifted to a new house. Describe the area where you live, your next door neighbors, the difficulties you faced while shifting, and why you like or dislike the place. Descriptive composition. Narrate an incident from your own experience when you helped someone to prepare a meal. Explain what you did and what you gained from this experience. Narrative composition. International sports promote friendship between nations. Argue for or against the given statement. Either for or against the given statement. Be very, very careful. Lockdown. So, this is expository essay or discursive essay, and international sports promote friendship between nations, argumentative essay. As I told you before, I prefer expository, argumentative and reflective essays like question number 5. Online education during the pandemic has been a blessing in disguise. Give your views on the above statement. Number 6. Write an original short story entitled The Missed Call. The title is given. Don't forget to write down the title whenever you're writing a short story, and remember, your short story must be original. No copying. Originality is the key. Remember this. Well, I have already prepared Lockdown for you, and Ma'am Moumita has written the story The Missed Call. These videos will be uploaded gradually but very soon. Don't worry. Till then, take care and stay connected.